Woodpeckers now has a complete family of adjustable layout tools, all incorporating the same great feature. The heads all lock securely at every full inch along the blades. And all the blades have easy-to-use scribing guides on 16th-inch centers. Woodpeckers has incorporated scribing guides into almost every fixed blade square we've designed over the last dozen years or so. We love them, and with good reason. Most project layouts include lines parallel to the edge of your stock, and there's no easier, more accurate way to put those lines on your stock than by using a scribing guide. But when we decided to make a combination square, we ran into a little bit of a problem. How do you put scribing guides into a blade when it moves along the head? Our clever product engineers came up with the answer. Index the head to every full inch along the blade. Now you can use the scribing guides anywhere along the blade, referenced from any full inch. Once we had the indexing feature perfected, we built it into a full range of heads. The traditional combination square, a protractor head, a centering head, and a double square. And just to make sure every situation in your shop is covered, we added an extra large combination head and an extra large double square. Let's take a look at each of the heads and how it works, starting with the combination square. Our fixed blade squares have always had a lip that prevents the square from rolling over. We wanted our adjustable squares to have the same feature, but we didn't want it to interfere. So check this out. Slide the tab out when you're working on the edge of your stock, and it'll keep the square flat. When you need it out of the way, just slide it back in. 45-degree layout, square layout, and assembly checks. The combination square is one of the most versatile reference tools you can have in your shop. All these same great features are built into the XL combination head, but it's a full inch thick instead of 3/4, and the reference surfaces are longer too. The double square head is a bit more compact than the combination square, making it more convenient to use if you're not dealing with miters. There's an XL model of the double square too, and both the XL and standard size have the same sliding tab feature as the combination squares. The two newest members of the indexable family are the centering head and the protractor head. The centering head locates the center of circles and squares quickly and accurately. The indexed reference is the flat side, which makes a nice compact scribing tool. The new protractor really takes the indexable system to another level. The large, easy-to-read protractor is graduated in 1-degree increments. The head adjusts smoothly and locks securely. For standard square and hexagonal angles, there are positive stops. Just thread the pin into the angle you want, bring the blade to the pin, and lock it. When it's locked square, the protractor is a very handy small T-square, perfect for laying out furniture projects. All indexable heads are available bundled with their most popular blade length. There's also a deluxe set with all the standard sized heads, all 3 blade lengths, and rackets for everything. Or each individual component is available separately if you want to add to a system you already have or want to build your very own custom set. Whether it's bundled with a blade or purchased as a head only, the heads always include a wall-mountable racket to keep your indexable right in plain sight and ready for work. The indexables from Woodpeckers, the first real innovation in the combination square since 1878. Order yours today.